Let me live, let me breathe, let me born. Don't let me go. Let me fly like a beautiful bird, let me shine like a bright sun. Let me bloom like a candlelight, let me enter your home. Let me see this beautiful earth, but don't kill me before my birth. Vande Matram to all of my viewers and respected jury members. I am Joshna from Andhra Pradesh. So, I would like to give a speech on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana today. Firstly, what does Bachao imply here? Does that mean they are in danger? The answer is yes. India is a country where on one hand, everybody with devotion in their hearts worship goddesses, and on another hand, crimes are committed against a girl child. As we know, a girl child is a blessing and she plays many roles in her life. She could be a daughter, a wife, a sister, a friend, and so on. She is considered to be the pillar that runs the home, and yet she is not given respect she deserves. And above this, many people kill the child once they are aware of gender being a girl. And if they don't manage it to kill the child, they are subjected to even more difficult life. They do not know what a childhood should be like. They only remain in the houses, learning cooking, washing, and taking care of others. And even before legal age of 18, they are married and have to lead with the sexual violence, harassment, and domestic violence. So, it is truly heartbreaking to see this state of girl child in the country like us who values the land as a motherland and worship so many goddesses. So, the question that arises here is that what can we do to improve the condition of girl child in the country? To overcome all these problems, the government of India began an initiative to save girl child, and it is called Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana. So, this plan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India to ensure the rights of girls in the country on January 22nd, 2015 at Panipat, Haryana. It is an innovative scheme with other innovative programs like Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, etc. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao has been started to save the girl child and to educate the girl child. According to this plan, action plans and strategies have been created especially for the positive results in the districts in which the girl sex ratio is low. So, now let me throw some light on why even it is required in a developing country like India. Let me just tell you some facts about India. According to 1991 census, India has 945 girls per 1000 boys, which reduced to 927 girls per 1000 boys in 2001 and 918 girls per 1000 boys in 2011. So where things went wrong? See here,